Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to review this product right here. It is the Revlon Pro Collection One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. And I'm actually really excited to try this out just because I have type 4 hair, and when I try to blow dry my hair, it doesn't always turn out the way that I want it to. So it actually turns out very dry and fragile, and of course that look is not what I'm going for. So I'm going to take it out of the box, and just to show you the box again, this is it right here. And it says that it has ionic technology. Negative ions saturate the airflow to reduce the size of water droplets for faster drying. It helps condition, smooth, and make hair shinier while reducing frizz and static. Less time, less damage. It dries and styles in one step for less heat damage and smooth, frizz-free results. So the reason why I chose this design is because I use paddle brushes to detangle my hair, and it really does a great job of detangling my hair. Wide tooth combs do not do a great job of detangling my hair, so when I use a wide tooth comb, which that's, you know, per YouTuber advice, that is the way to go when you have 4C hair or finger detangling. Neither one of those work for me in terms of actually truly detangling my hair. I'll still have strands up in there that, you know, so I just go ahead and use the paddle brush, and the paddle brush detangles my hair so well that I can run my hands through my 4C hair. So I don't finger detangle, and I don't use a wide tooth comb. So let me go ahead and open this. Okay, taking longer than I thought it would. Let me just pause for technical difficulties. I'm gonna have to go get some scissors because I cannot open this. Okay, so I finally got it opened. So it comes in this little bag here. And the rest of it looks like a generic, you know, blow dryer. Comes with a little pamphlet thing. Okay, so this is a little notice just saying that this part right here is going to be hot because that's where the air is flowing through. Makes sense. So to change the speed, I guess, and the temperature, there's a little thing here. I don't know if you can read that because the camera is focusing on my face. So let's get this to work here. No, there we go. So off, cool, low, and high, and you just turn this part right here to change that. So I like to blow dry my hair on cool because I don't want any heat damage for no reason, even though I am not one to wear my natural hair out. Just out. I still don't want heat damage. Alright, so I had to change up the scene a little bit just because I had to unplug one of my lights, and this lighting actually might look a little better, so maybe I'll start using one light instead of two, because when I use two lights I feel like everything is like right here, and then not here, and the lighting also kind of turns out a little funny when I use two lights. So maybe the one light is gonna be my go-to. You guys let me know if this lighting is better than what it was at the beginning of the video. So this is my hair. I have 4C hair. Well, I might not have 4C hair. I have type 4 hair though, for sure. This is it. I'm going to spray some Infusium 23 Renew and Repair Heat Tamer Maximum Anti-Breakage Protection. Focus on this, not me. There we go. So I'm just gonna spray that all over, all over. So I washed and detangled my hair yesterday, I think, and I waited to blow dry it because I'm gonna start wearing my hair stretched. For me, my 4C hair, it does not do well in pretty much any state besides the straight or the extremely stretched. So even a twist out, my hair does not do well in a twist out. My hair has to be either straight or blown out, or it's going to break up, it's going to knot, it's going to shed, and I just am really over it. I just did a mini big chop to kind of cut off all the damage that was there. So my hair is now shoulder length. It used to be bra strap length, but I cut off a ton of hair just because I mean, my hair was just ridiculous. So what I did notice was that when my hair is straight or when my hair is blow dried, there's no issues. So I'm gonna start wearing my hair either blow dried or straight, or it's gonna be in some braids because I'm kind of over the breakage here. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this bad boy on cool and see how this goes. And it didn't turn on, probably because I have to reset it. You know that little breaker thing on the plug? Let me show you this thing here. So when you plug it in, you have to press one of these buttons in. I'm just gonna do both. I'm gonna hit reset, and then it'll probably start working. Let me turn it off first though. All right, there we go. That's what it was. So don't forget to do that, ladies, when you are going to blow dry your hair. All right, let's go. So that's the first section. So it looks like I'm getting like an Afro texture, which is what I was going for. I want to have my hair in an Afro by the time this is done, so I can wear it in a puff, but like an extreme stretched puff, and then I'll be able to do twist outs on my hair much easier because it is stretched. And that took all of 2 seconds. So when I blow dry my hair with just like a standard blow dryer, it always turns out like dry. Like dry, and the texture of it is like crispy and crunchy. Right now it's soft, so I don't know why my hair turns out that way when I blow dry it, but that's why I usually don't blow dry it. The other blow dryer that I have, I use it for my wigs and fake hair. So this one, so far, I am extremely pleased on how, first of all, quickly it worked, and how I don't have to, try to have my blow dryer in one hand and my comb in the other hand, me trying to comb through the shrinkage or trying to do the tension method, and the tension method makes my hair dry. So far so good with this. And I do have people, sorry, I do have heat protectant in my hair. I sprayed heat protectant in my hair before I started. So I'm doing this on the cool setting. So as you can see, I'm quite satisfied with the results I'm getting. So I'm not saying that I hate my hair, it's just I know that there are limitations on 4C hair, and protective styling for some reason does not really work for my hair. And I've tried multiple times. I've tried wigs, I've tried braids, I've tried, kinky twist. I've been natural for over 10 years, so I know what works and what does not work for my hair. The protective styling does not work for my hair. Washing goes, forget it. What else? Like, all these products that YouTubers try and suggest to us, and then they don't work out. Trying too many products can also mess up your hair. So I try not to listen to YouTubers in terms of their natural hair tips anymore, just because if you notice, a lot of the natural hair YouTubers who had long hair back in the day before they started trying all this stuff, now a lot of them have had to cut their hair off. So what does that tell you? Just keep it simple. And don't try to follow the trends like too much. And my nose is running. Most likely I have a cold. But I do have really bad allergies, so it's hard to tell sometimes between when I have a cold and when my allergies are just acting up. My allergies could be acting up in this room because it is a little bit dusty. And I'm using the blow dryer to stir up some of that dust. So let me get started on this next section. And I'll probably fast forward through the rest of this just because you get the point. I'm using this just like I would any other brush. I'm starting at the ends and then working my way up to the roots. And then my hair gets really stretched and soft. The end.
I never been so caught up, still so into us. I never thought I'd be here. Should have turned to dust. Ooh, let's be honest, baby. This is so unusual. Ooh, I'm not tempted, baby, even if they're beautiful.
So this is how it looks without me really doing anything to it. I almost wonder if I should run the blow dryer through it again just to make it more Afro-like. Since I put it in twist, it's kind of like limp, I guess I could say. But that's not the look I'm going for. I want a full Afro. So let me do.
I used to be cautious, a little too reckless. Now all my emotions are all 'cause of you.
So obviously I love the end results. Meet my Afro. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I will talk to you later. Bye.